Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a DMV account in New York. So to begin, go to the New York My DMV page. If you already have a ny.gov account, simply click sign in and enter your username and password. And after that, you'll need to connect your DMV information by entering your 9-digit DMV ID number from your license or permit, along with your date of birth. And I want you to make sure that all the details match the information the DMV has on file. However, if you don't have a NY.gov account yet, click sign in, then choose create an account. Select the personal account option and enter your name, email address, home address, and preferred username. And once you finish, check your email for the setup message. Open the link, create your password, and complete the security questions. Next, return to the My DMV page and sign in using your new account. From there, enter your DMV ID number, document number, the last 4 digits of your social security number, your date of birth, and then zip code that connected to your DMV record. And once everything is confirmed, your New York DMV account will be ready. So this is helpful because it allows you to access available DMV services online more easily. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.